Good morning, class. Welcome to our college, Sharad Institute of Technology, Polytechnic, Edra, Department of Information Technology. Today we will start 14th lecture on course that is subject data structure using C. Here, vision mission of department. Departmental vision statement to excel in information technology engineering education to produce professionally competent engineers with lifelong learning attitude for the accomplishment of ever-growing needs of society and industry. Departmental mission statement to provide quality education through effective teaching learning methodologies with simulating environment for preparing technical and professional competent engineering. To build up professional skills in students that will help them to succeed and progress in their personal and professional career. To imbibe professional ethics and social responsibilities in students for society and environment. Here course outcomes. After the completion of unit number 4, you achieve 4th CO, that is implement basic operations on linked list. Here syllabus for course and their marks allocation. Here syllabus of unit, that is linked list. Now we will start next point under the operations on singly linked list. In a previous lecture we studied which point in our operations on singly linked in under creating, traversing, searching and inserting. Okay. Now we continue this point, that is operations on singly linked list in under. On today's we will learn deleting an elements from singly linked list in under three tasks. Three tasks or three possibilities are there. Which three possibilities? First, deleting from the beginning, second, deleting from the end, and third, deleting the in between node, means in a specified node. Deleting an element from singly linked the list, also said as the singly linked list, also said as the single linked list, also said as the linear linked list. Deletion is a process to remove an existing node from the linked list. Okay, what is meant by deletion? Deletion is a process means what? Remove an existing node from the linked list. The node to be deleted may be the first node or last node or intermediate other node, means middle node, okay, or specified position of node. Let's consider this linked list in a below figure. Linked list with 5 nodes. Which 5 nodes? First 10, second 20, 30, 40 and 50. First is the start, means that the head. After that last node as a assigned null, means obviously these 50 elements are the last elements on that linked list. Okay. How to diagrammatically show it? That this way, means what? Any elements in a linked list in a question said as the show through diagrammatically, means this way to show it. Okay. Next point, the delete operation remove an existing element from the linked list depending on the location from where the element is to be deleted. There are 3 scenarios possible, which are also said as the scenarios or possibilities, also task. Okay. So first, deleting an element from the beginning, that's shown in figure 4.30. In that, in a existing, means in a original list 5 nodes are there, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. In that first element are removed, means what? List will be shown this like. Okay. After that, deleting an element from the end of the list as shown in a 4.31, means in this. Okay, in this, on that end element are we deleted, means that in that 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, in that 5 nodes are there, that is the original list. On that 50 elements are the last elements, and that will be removed. Deleting an element somewhere from the middle of the list, that's shown in figure 4.32 in under deleting node middle or position. For example, we deleted the node 20, means what, that linked list how will be shown, how will be displayed, this like 10, 30, 40, 50. Clear? For deleting an, next point, for deleting an element, we have to locate the node and free that node after making the appropriate links. There are 3 different places from where a node can be deleted. Okay, in that said as the how will be possible to deleting an element. So what is the logic on that? We have to locate the node. First of all, locate that node, means which node will be deleted, that will be firstly locate that. Okay. After that, that will be free that node after making the appropriate links, means what, that first of all locate that node which you want to delete the node. Okay, when we locate it, after that will be node free using free function. After that, when that free the node on that list, that time you making the appropriate link, means which elements will be deleted, that before and after elements are connected with each other, or you deleted the first element, then that start head is connected to the second element. If you delete the last element, means that last element before element are allocate the null. Okay, these operations are done, means what, after the making appropriate links are created. When we create that link, means obviously when free function is called, then automatically that element will be, or that node will be deleted. There are 3 different places from when a node can be deleted. Delete first point, that is deletion from the beginning. Suppose we have 4 nodes in the list, we want to delete the first node. Okay. So now we set the q is equal to start. Q is taken for the pointer, because this through you moving the location one node to another node. That's way. After that, in that initialize the start as a q. Now make start 2 points to the node where start links field is pointing with the following statement. Okay, that said as the start link, means what, our purpose is that first element will be removed. Okay, so that start link, okay, is the first node is the start. That start link means what, in a link field what is the value will be stored, in that address will be stored that the next element. Okay, so that start next is the start next means that number, sorry, that node, okay, that is the 20 value on that node, that will be considered as a start. Okay, means in that we create the desired link, okay, or appropriate link will be created. Now make this link, now make Q's link field to point to null and then free it with the following statement. Okay, then when you start link as a considered as a start, okay, means that 10, firstly 10 is also start, Q is also, the first element as a start and first element as a Q. Okay, when this statement is run, means that start link as a consider that start means obviously means you start will be incremented to the next node. Okay, that statement is meaning that when that incremented means you assign that as a second element as a start, then you q means the first element as a consider as a null. Okay, that q link, okay, that assign the null means that indicate the null, and that you allocate the null means obviously that elements are removed on that list and free function through pass that node means obviously that remove on that list and also remove on that memory. Okay, that's it as the queue link. Okay, that queue link field is there, that r is equal to null. It means initialize the null, after that free that queue. After that deleting the node, the list will be look like this, like to these three elements, three nodes are there. Is the program of deleting the node at beginning. That string is the header file, connew is the also header file. Okay, in that no any memory allocation, so that is not need to the malloc header file. While display is the function declaration, after that structure declaration, after that structure variable declaration. Okay, these are the same code in a previous lecture we studied, means in under the inserting the elements in a singly linked list. Okay, for that while main variable declaration, clear screen, output window will be clear, display, the function is called. After that is the important of that code. First start pointer as a assigned to, means initialization to as a temp variables are taken. Okay, because you move to the one node to another node and first node will be deleted, so first node will be considered or initialization in a temp variable, and temp are the when we remove, then automatically that first elements are removed on that list. In that theory part, this code are explained. After that start link are assigned to the initialization to start. After that temp will be free, that means first element is deleted, and again display function will be called. Function definition is that, display function definition is that in there first pointer q as initialization as a start. Okay, start as initialization to pointer q. After that elements in list, this is the message will be displayed. After that two condition is true, q not is equal to null, that up to 1 by 1 elements will be displayed. And this q array link means what? Your q means your pointer will be incremented, means your node will be moved from one node to another node. Output how will be displayed? First elements in the linked list, that elements will be displayed in through that elements are given, means input to by program. That first element deleted and display this message, because display function we call the two times, means before deleting and after deleting. Okay. Second point, deleting from the end, travels up to second last node in the list set as a queue and last node as a temp, because your purpose is that delete from the end. You will be delete the node at the end position, so means travels up to second last element in the list as to set queue, and the last element as said as the or assigned as the temp. After that temp will be removed, means automatically that element will be, that node will be removed on that list. Okay, what is the logic or what is the algorithm are used? First start initialization to q pointer, after that start initialization as a temp pointer. Okay, two extra pointers are there. First is the q, second is the temp. Q for moving and temp is used for particular which not a last elements are assigned to initialization to that temp variable, and that will remove it, free it. While temp of link not is equal to null, okay, this condition is true, that time that temp is assigned to initialization to q variable. After that temp link means that temporary link means next address are also initialization to temp variable. Change the link field of node q to the null, means what? That is the q and temp pointers are there as a considered as a start, one by one are moved to one location to another location. In this case, in that time q as a q as initialization to null means that in that break that on that two nodes in a q and temp means obviously that q will be free on that list. Remove that list with the statement. How will be possible? That q link, okay, that q link as initialization as a null. Okay, now free the temp node means free temp. After the deleting the last node, the list will look this like. This is the program for delete the node at the end position. Okay, these are the header files. That white displays function declaration. These are the variable declaration, structure declaration, structure name as a node. These are the data members of that structure. These are the structure variables with initialization value. White main. Two temporary variables are taken, which are the q and temp. Clear screen linked list before deleting the last node. Okay, after the display function is called means what? Before deleting, then value will be or elements will be displayed. Again, start as a initialization to q and also start as initialization to temp. While in that check condition, temp of link, okay, that temp of the link not is equal to null. Up to that q and temp are pointers are incremented one by one. When this condition is true, that time as a temp as a assigned to means initialization to q. Okay, means what? Q and temp at a time move one node to another node. Okay, when we get difference or when we have that are different, okay, first of all that start as a that start as a firstly q and temp. Temp will be incremented, q will be incremented means move to the next node. Again move to the next node, p and temp also. But we want to temp as the last node and q is the that before node. Okay, in that theory said as the two pointers are there, last node and before that last node. Okay, so how will be that temp will be only for temp? How will be incremented or move this code through? Which code? So in that when temp link found that null, okay, when q firstly temp is as a location in a that 30 value. When that temp next, okay, then the last element will be null value will be found. That time temp as a considered as a q means in that temp as a considered as a q. Again that temp link means that this temp next means that temp in a temp link list list link field are stored the address of the next element. Then automatically that temp next element as a considered as a temp means what? Temp is the only for temp pointer is move, not a q. Okay, why this is do? Because we want to remove that temp is we want to remove that last element. That's why. Okay, these two statements are clear that in that check up to null means last element is found that when we last element is found as a null means that is last element. So that time that pointer as a considered as a q and next pointer that node as a considered as a q and that next node is considered as a temp and temp will be removed that in that set as the okay, this condition is true. Then that q link means that q link is initialization to 0 or to null means obviously that temp node is the remove on that list free temp list linked list after the deletion of last node. Again display function is called getch. In that white display this through elements will be displayed on that list. This is the output before deletion of that last node and after deletion of the last node. Okay. Third point, deleting the in between node means in a specified node. Traverse the list till the node to be deleted is reached and name it as a queue. Okay, means traverse the list means visiting the one node to another node up to which you want to delete the node that reaches up to that traverse means move the one node to another node. When we found that time we give the name as a queue. Now change the link field of the node 1 before queue to point to the node where queue's link field is pointing. After that, make queue's link field to point to the null with the following statement. Then consider when we found that which element will be removed. In that, for example, we delete the element 30. We delete the node 30. Then we found that time as consider as that queue pointer. Okay. Now what will be happen? Now change the link field of that node before queue. In before queue is that node, that link field will be changed, means that pointing to the that in this node means which will be delete that element, that next element will be as a consider as a create the appropriate link, and that queue's elements as point to the null means obviously that element will be removed and this automatically that node is connected to the next node. How will be possible? In through queue of link means that queue of address. Okay, queue of link means in a link field store the next node of address. Okay, you know that queue of link means that in a queue of the next link is which value? 40 will be assigned initialization to that this before node, and that queue link is as a null means obviously remove that element. Now free the node queue using free queue, after which the list will be look like this. Like program on that, delete the middle node from the linked list. These are the error files. Their function: declaration, structure declaration, structure variable declaration with initialization, void main, variable declaration, clear screen, output window will be clear, message will be displayed, printf function, display function will be called. Again, enter the element to be deleted, which elements will be deleted, that are scan it, inputted it. Again, start is assigned to the R and Q. To that, up to Q not is equal to null, condition is false, true. That time 1 by 1 R move and wait if Q of info is equal to data. Okay, when found that time that Q link means that next elements are assigned to that R, and means that middle elements obviously that remove on that in both elements. It means which elements are deleted, that are found that before elements and that after elements are connected with to each other using which statement? Using this statement. Okay, that queue of next means that obviously after elements are connected to the that queue of before. R will be the before of that queue that will be connected with, and free that queue and break it. When the condition is true, this condition is false, then obviously Q is equal to R, assign that, and Q links is this. Again the statements are run, that Q next link as a consider as a Q. Means what? When this condition is not true, means elements are not found, means Q and R will be incremented, move to the next node. How will be possible? That Q has initialization to add, and that Q of link means Q of next link, next not a link, next node are assigned to that Q variable. This like move one node to another node when found that time removed it. After deletion, specific location, after that display function will be again called, and these are the function definition using through display. That output will be this like linked list before deleting any specified node. After that enter the element to be deleted, for example 30. After that display that list. Clear that? Next program is the merging of all operations on singly linked list. This is the important program, and this program are in a manual also there as a practical number. I think practical number 10. Okay. So menu driven program for singly linked list. In that also use the create, insert, delete, search, display, std, conio and malloc functions are taken. These are the header files. These are the function declaration. Each operations are taken one function: create, insert at beginning, at the end, and at the positioning, and delete, search, display. In delete, under 3 tasks are there that are added in that code. After that, structure declaration. Node is the structure name. Info and link are the data members of that structure. Start is the variable of that structure and assigned as the null. Right? These are the global variable declaration: data, item, n1, position, okay, and im. These are the variables are taken for the internally execution purpose. After that, void main function will be start. Okay, on that printf linked list, that n variables are taken. The message will be displayed. Again message will be displayed this that while, because your loop is executed again and again. So again this slash is through in that menu will be displayed, and this message will be again and again displayed when you want to input the value. If enter the choice, this message will be displayed. This is the printf function. After the scan means input in which variable, n, which choice you will be inputted, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 that are stored in a n variable. Switch case, these are the switch cases. In a case 1, create function is called, again beginning, end, this one by one functions are called in a one by one in between the cases. Last case is the exit, and the default is the message display. Wrong choice to get ch. That one by one R function is definition, which concepts are already studied in under the sub points. That concept or that logic, that algorithm are merged in that program, so it is said as the menu driven. Okay. In shortly, we explain that why create these functions are taken. In this through we creating the linked list. Firstly, queue and temp variables are taken. Okay. You create means one by one node, and added means your memory locations are allocated at the runtime. Enter the element, which element are we create, that are be stored in data variable. That memory allocation is done. After that which elements are by user entered, that are will be stored in a temp variable. After that, check, that is the first start is the null. Not a null means on that list any elements are there, then else part is executed. For example, that start is equal to null means in that list no any elements are there, means obviously start is connected to that which element first will be entered. Again not, then that start is assigned to that queue. That queue link means list, that queue of link means next address up to null. That when we found that queue of next elements are considered as a queue, and that temp variable which are entered by the user, that are assigned it. Again insert at beginning. When you want to insert the element at the beginning, then enter by the which elements are entered, that are stored in a data variable. Memory allocation done. That variables, that not a variable, that a value are assigned to that in a temporary variable in a info field, and the start as a initialization of that temp of the next link. It means obviously that temp value will be removed on that list. Sorry, not a removed, added. Once again explain it program. Insert at beginning means you insert the element at the beginning of the list. Okay, which elements will be inserted? That will be inputted through in a data variable, and it is the execution in a runtime. So memory allocation is done. After that, which elements are added in that list? That data are stored in a field of that temporary variable, and that start in on that linked list, that start pointer means that head are assigned to that temp of link, means obviously that temp variables are connected to that start, and that temp is the first node, means obviously that temp is the first node, so that temp as a considered as a or initialization as a start, because start is the first node. So when we start as a connected to that first element, that temp link is obviously that temp is the start pointer, initialization into the display function will be called. Next, void insert at end. When you add the element at the end, that time which elements are added, that are inputted after size will be allocation, that data will be stored in temporary variable, and we want to add the last element, so that temp list is temp link means address as the initialization as a null, and if that start is equal to null means in that no any data means that consider as a assign as the temp as a start, otherwise to null found that one by one queue are moved on that list. When we found that, then that queue of list means queue of link means queue of next elements are assigned at queue, and that temp are attached to that queue of link means what, that temporary means which entered by the user are stored in the data variable, that will be connected to that last elements of link and display that data. Void insert after the position. Okay. These are the variable declaration for execution purpose. Index are taken because position in which positions we data will be added, that will be taken from user. Display function will be again called. Memory allocation is done. Which elements are inserted, that are entered that are stored in a temporary variable. Okay, and this is the first element, then temp, otherwise index will be entered in a through index position index variable, and start as a assigned to that queue variable, and up to that index is true, then that queue of link means that queue of next elements as a considered as a queue, then is queue is null, then means you want to add the in a middle. Okay, so when you that queue is equal to null means obviously that last element, but your purpose is that you add the element in a between, so in that message will be displayed there are less elements. Okay, again that when we found the queue of link means again that queue variable is the next elements that will be assigned to that temporarily, and that temporary is assigned to that queue of link means that elements which are the next element. In that queue of link means you sure that the which node at the queue pointers are there, that next element, that is meant by queue of link, and display function is called that. Delete, when we delete any element, these are the variable structure variable declaration, pointer structure variable declaration, which element will be deleted, that are entered it in that check is what is this code is for the deletion of the first node. Which elements are entered by the user, that are check first elements, that start fields info is equal to, then obviously that element will be first element, that are deleted it. Okay, means deleted concept are used. These are the studied in this lecture. Means the start as a assigned as a temp, after that start link means that next link as a initialization as a start means that temp are free on that list, and display function is called, and then return that. Again it is not condition, means you delete the element is middle, then type check Firstly, start as initialization Q. Then check the condition when that Q link means which elements of that Q pointer. First step, for example, location of 0 is the Q, means that next element is the first location, that next element means the second location. That second location not is equal to null. Up to that condition is true, then execution that Q of link means which of the element is next link, that info is equal to data, then that Q of link means that next link as a considered as a temporary, the middle elements are considered as a temporary, and that link, that temporary is the link is assigned to that Q of link, and that temp means middle elements, obviously remove it and display the function. Again display the elements and return it. Again deletion is last node. Means that Q of link means next link is assigned as the Q. In that deletion of the last node means all that Q of list link of info, which node are the Q pointer, that next elements next information is equal to data. Okay, means that the last element is found, that then that Q of list, that Q of link which are the next address, next elements as considered as a temp, and that are the initialization as the null, and temp will be freed and display function call and again return. These three cases are not done, means obviously that elements are not found on that list. Search, we want to search the element, structure variable declaration, which elements will be inserted, that are inserted it, that firstly start as a initialization to temp not is equal to null. If that check that temp info is equal to item which will be entered that by user, that found, that index will be displayed and return it. Okay, otherwise that temp link means obviously that temp pointer will be moved from one location to another location in list, and I will be implemented. Okay. And this condition this condition false, that time they display that means what, that temp link means last node, when we found the null means obviously on that list that element is not present, so message will be displayed, elements not found. Again display this function to display the data. First of all check that empty or not that list. How will be possible? First start is equal to null means obviously list is empty, otherwise one by one elements will be displayed using this code. This is the output menu will be displayed. Again we want to enter, first of all we enter the first create, 20 will be inserted. Again we call 1, 30 will be insert. Again we call the second means insert at the beginning. We want to insert element 10, display. We want to display using 7 option also. Again we place the 3 means at the end, 50 will be added in that added it. Again next output, enter the element will be inserted in that in a previously enter the at the end, fourth option. Again that repeated it. Okay, this thing in that press again 4 means insert at the position. Firstly display the original list. After that we want to insert the 10, which position, second, so 0, 1, 2. After that 30, 40 will be inserted. Next 5 means fifth option is delete. Enter the element will be delete. 10 means this that display, delete that item. Again we press the 5 means delete the element. 50 is the last element, so delete it. Again we delete the element. Again we press the 5 option means delete the 30 number, that deleted it. 6 for searching purpose, and search element 0, which location, 0 location, that will be displayed. Again 7 is display the data, it will exit. This program also demonstrate using through Turbo C++ software. first create it. Again we create it. Okay, we insert at the beginning, for example, insert it. Want to third choice, insert at the end, for example 7, add it. Again insert the fourth position, for example 45, which place 0 1 I want to insert at the after of 40, means one position, display it. Again tip the delete, for example we want to delete 10, delete it. You want to again we delete the element 70, delete it. You want to delete the middle element, last element will be deleted. After that first second delete last element. If you want, now we want to delete the middle element, means 45, delete it. Okay. Using 7 option, sorry, searching, 6 option searching, want to search the element 55. Okay, at first position, 40 is the 0th position, 55 is the first position. Again we display that. Again we enter the next exit on that program. Clear that program. This program is important, that menu driver. This program is also considered in a practical and also in considered in a board exam. Not the ask that board exam is biggest program. In 90% is asked the program in a only for beginning of the node, so deleting, or in a middle element is deleted, or in a last node at the deleted. This type through ask the question. And apart from this, all maximum question is asked to the onto that theory part, or to diagrammatically show the programs. Okay, that example means in short examples. How will we solve that? Through examples, through diagrammatically that questions maximum time ask that question. And linked list, sorry, in a single linked list, this point is important, because in this your syllabus only said as the single linked list in detail. The circular linked list and circular linked list and double linked list, these are the types of linked list, but not necessary in details for your syllabus. But in your syllabus said as the taken as the point types of linked list, means obviously that are we considered as a single linked list and circular linked list and double linked list. But these are the main important is theory part is important, this concept, not the necessary to add the questions on that program, but syllabus are there, so I am also that taking it. 90% ask the question on in detail, single linked list, their concept, their program, all are, and only for concept is asked on the circular linked list and double linked list. So only the point single linked list is studied in detail. Okay, their concept, all operations in create, insert, in a insert three tasks, in a delete in a 3 tasks. After that search, travels. Okay, these points are there. That points are clear in details. Theory parts also and program. Not asking the program in detail, means each other menu driven. Okay, not asking. I think means maximum ask the question. Write the program of beginning of the insert the element, or write the program of ending and the delete of that linked list. Means short program is asked. Okay. So prepare it. Summary on that today's lecture: operations on single linked list in under deleting an element from the single linked list. In there 3 tasks are there: deleting from the beginning, deleting from the end, and deleting between the node. Homework for given. Continue the assignment number 4. Here stop on today's lecture. In this lecture any doubts are arise, then contact with me. Thank you.